Alright, the sun is coming up over the Atlantic. Nice, slick, calm day here. December 6th. We're at Corsons Inlet State Park, South Jersey, versus Ocean City, New Jersey. And that kayak launch, was a little rough. I got kind of soaked. I think these two got soaked too. I'm out here with Romo and Tenzin. We're trying to follow the migration, the striped bass. And basically we're just gonna come out here and snag and drop bunker all day. And hopefully something good happens. I heard there's a lot of whales around. I heard there's a lot of bass around. So we're coming out here. We're gonna see what the hell happens.
Alright, so we're out here on the ocean at the crack of dawn, trying to catch striped bass, following the migration, as I said. And what we're trying to do is find bunker. We're looking for bunker schools. Romo's got a fish finder, and he's marking schools of bunker down there. So we basically just roll out into 18 feet of water, get on a bunker school, and start fishing. And I mean, look at that sun on the horizon. You know, we've been out here for like 2 minutes. We basically paddled out, got right into the bunker, and that's the way to start the day right there.
Well, it's a sad day to be a bunker. Let's see if there's anything known down there. Oh yeah, you got bunker flipping. They're over here. Big school of them over here on the surface and shit. Yeah, they're like flipping everywhere, dude. Really? Yeah, big, tons of bunker right here, dude. Yep. My bunker's swimming up towards the surface. Well, no, that's a good thing. That means something's pushing him up, you know? Oh, I just got hit. Yeah. I'm getting bit. Oh, there's fish. Yeah, big fish. Big fish. Yes, sir. That did not take long, man. Easy, dude. Oh, shit. Oh, Jesus Christ. He's got me pinned so bad. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Pinned so bad. He just pinned me so bad. So good. That's what you gotta do. That's what you gotta do. Yeah. Solid, you know, 20-pounder. He's not as big as I thought. Oh, he's trying to rip. Yeah, he's a solid size specimen here. Yeah, we're back on the biomass, dude. Oh yeah. Nice stripe. Nice stripe. Dude, this thing fought so ridiculously hard. There's the first fish of the day. Nice. Wow. Woo! Banging. Banging. This is that South Jersey biomass now. Off of Corsons Inlet. Oh, we're back in it, dude. We're back in it, dude. Snag and dropping these bunker for the cowfish. That's what you gotta love right there. Alright, drop them down. And I'm only fishing 17 feet of water. I got an 8-ounce weight and dropping them down. Got bunker flipping around the boat.
Alright, so just like that, we get out here, we start snagging bunker, we start catching bass. Did not take long at all. It literally just rolled out here, started catching them. We were lucky that there was fish right here, but we had pretty good intel going into this, knowing that there was a lot of bass around down here. So Tenzin was the next guy to hook up. Tenzin, I only started fishing with Tenzin this fall, and I don't know what kind of fishing experience he has, but I was happy to see him get a fish right away.
Yeah, Tenzin. Yo, what's the biggest bass you ever caught in your life?
Spring run, Delaware River.
How big?
30-something inches, 33.
Oh, okay, so this is the biggest bass of your life.
We'll see how big he is.
I mean, if he ate an adult bunker, he's not a little one. I don't know if he's the biggest of your life. That's your call. He's nice, though. 15 pounds. He's like 15, 18 pounds. Oh, I got a fish on. Spin me in 180. Ah! List him. Luckily, got that reserve bunker. Gotta have that backup. 10-aught hook through the nostrils. I have a feeling that bunker school is like 100 yards that way, and these bass are kind of following it. Bass are following the bunker school. There's gonna be some 40-pounders out here too, whether we catch them or not, you know, but they're here. I just lost a nice one. Yeah. Well, I mean, you know, I lost one. I shouldn't say a nice one. It was nice. They're all nice. Except for that one you got on the plug. No, it's all good. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, definitely nice. Teener. He's probably, yeah, you know, teen size. 16 pounds or so. Good fish. Very good. Should have brought some gloves out here. Yeah. That's where I'm at. Oh. I just got hit so hard. Oh, I dropped him. The worst hook set right there. Oh, I just got hit so hard again. Oh. Woo! Oh, that's fun right there. Oh, zipping. No. They're fighting really good, man. They're fighting harder than that North Jersey bass. This is that South Jersey bass. They gotta fight a little harder. They just like passed through Atlantic City. They gotta have a little bit of fight in them after passing through Atlantic City. Woo! Where you at, bass? Yeah. Yeah. In the bottom jaw and out the nostril. So there's a nice bass. Yeah, I need a pair of gloves right now. Oh, bunker. I got a bunker. That's a good looking bunker. Really trying to follow this migration. Gonna go south. Stay on the school of migratory fish. Feeding on these bunker. Let's see what happens this time. I've been lucky, both my fish have been like decent size. Might have to get right back up on that school. Do you see bass marks? You do? You got a lively bunker on there? Then what's your excuse? What's the excuse? You're holding out for that 40-pounder. You just don't care about these 20-pound fish. You want that 40-pound fish. I'll try to get up on the school a little more. I don't know. Oh yeah, I'm in the bunker school. I'm in the school thick. Thick school of bunker. Yeah, man. I'm cold like that. I'm like thick in the bunker school. I'm gonna pull out of it and hopefully there's just like a big bass waiting there. That's the hope. The belly of the beast. Oof. I might be getting bit. Yeah, I'm getting bit. Wah, yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! You gotta go to Corsons. Get your ass to Corsons. They're at Corsons. The biomass is at Corsons. Yeah, he's not as big. Woohoo! If I caught a fish like this from the beach though, man, I'd be so happy about it. But like up on a pencil popper. But it's not as easy as it is to just come out here on your kayak and get, oh, Jesus Christ. Get on that bunker school. Yeah, he's not as big. Luckily he's hooked nice in the mouth, top of the mouth. Yeah, smaller size, he's only 36 inches or so. He's gonna go right back on that school. Yeah, this bunker right here is not gonna survive much longer. It's a very sad day for him. Yeah, there's a giant school over here. You just gotta look for him. Yeah, you'll see him jumping. Bloody unhappy bunker. This bunker is very sad, very scared. He's a scared, sad bunker. I'm gonna go do the same exact thing. Go right into that school. Yep, I'm in the school. I'm gonna pull a Yui. Pull a Yui to get out of the school. Trying to fish the edges of the bunker schools. I can't believe that there's so much life up by the beach up there. I'm shocked. I saw like a legit striper like roll when we were launching. That dude with SP minnow, yeah. He should have caught that. Yeah. Oh, you could definitely catch bass from the beach right now. At least like dawn. I've been misguided to believe that South Jersey has like 0 fish. But I guess by now, at this point in the run, there's actually some fish to be had down here. Nothing like North Jersey though. Although who knows, you know, you might get it. You might find a blitz down here. Who knows? But not like you would find up there. That Island Beach blitz. They're calling that the bite of the year. That Friday. Yeah, oh Friday. But nah, fall 2015 is going down as like a really good year. 2015 in general has been like a really good year. It started in the spring. There was a great run in the spring. Better than the last 2 years. And it's the same thing down in Virginia. It's crazy, man. Like, where do those bass go? They must just hang out offshore or something. Because, yeah, like probably off that whole like eastern shore of Virginia where they're like no one fishes. Yeah. Oh, I just got slammed. Yeah. Oh, damn, missed him. He's gonna come right back. Whoa, damn, dude. Whoa, whoa. Who knows what just happened? Who knows what just happened there? Just got slammed. It is nice. He's not even that big, but well, you got the curse, man. You're cursed right now. You got cursed Mojo. Like you're in the school of bunker. I mean the best. Like if I'm getting them right next to you, you just gotta make it happen somehow. Yeah, this is a smaller one. This one's not big. 34 inches or so. He's still good though. He's still real. It's a real fish. Real bass. Keep a size. Keep a size. He's fighting though. He's a fighter. Definitely a fighter. Getting me real wet. Later, buddy. Yes, sir. Get that straight braid. Where you at, Mr. Bunker? Just trying to feel that bunker. There he is. Shank that bunker. Just shank him. Another nice little bunker. You got a bigger fish, Tenzin? 2 bunker? 2 stripers? Oh, his other rod's going? Yeah, I'm going right over to Tenzin. Tenzin's on fire right now. Catching all the biggest bass of his life. What you got going on over there? It's looking good. Oh yeah, dude. Yeah, he's like it looks like he's like high 20s or 30. Boom! Boom goes Tenzin. Yeah, dude.
Woo! Shaking, dude.
Yeah.
I am shaking.
That's a boner fish right there. You what? Nah, yeah, throw that back. I got the picture for you right here. Damn, dude, that's a nice one. That's a 30-pounder, man.
Holy fuck.
I'm ready. Yeah, that's a 30-pounder, dude. Stiff arm him a little. Alright, you good. Yeah, son! 30-pounder. We'll call him that 30.
Yeah, we will.
Tenzin's jacked. Tenzin's got a boner. Oh, life is good. Dick is hard. Fuck yeah, man. So right now we are in the school and we got frickin' big bass here. So we got tons of bunker and we got tons of bass. And we're within a mile of shoreline right now. The shoreline, I mean, we're close to shore. We're only fishing 15 to 20 feet of water. And that's pretty good. A lot of times this time of year, you know, you got to be off. In South Jersey here, I mean, the gradient of the beach, I mean, it drops off so slow. You know, a mile out, we got 15, 20 feet of water. Whereas, you know, other parts of the coast, you would be in 60 feet of water. 70 feet of water, you know, a mile off the beach. Like northern New Jersey, you know, it drops off a lot deeper. But these fish, they don't care, you know, 20 feet is great depth for stripers like this. And I mean, we got them, and we got them close to shore. You get that weather window, you get those west winds, easy to get the kayak out and get on these fish. You don't have to troll, you don't need the Mojos. The Mojos work great, but yeah, you don't need any of that. A Mojo costs like 20 bucks, 30 bucks, I don't even know. Way too much money. Come out here with like a hook and a weight and a bunker snag and clean up. That's what we're doing. So yeah, we got this school bunker. It still looks like it's getting worked here. And I think I gotta be like right over here. I think there's gonna be bass right over here. Let's check it out. Let's give it a try. I'm gonna give it a paddle. Somewhere out here there's a 50-pounder. My buddy was out here 2 days ago and they had a fish that was over 40 pounds. And you know, this time of year, you know, these fall migratory bass, when you're on a school of 20-pounders like this, they average 20 pounds. But I mean, you can find a 50-pounder mixed in with these 20-pounders anytime. Anytime. These are the same fish you run into in the spring in the river. You know, it's all that migration. You just got to get on those migratory bass. That's what we're trying to do. All right, let's see. Ready? Whoa! Oh, I missed him. That's like the trend. I'm always missing them, but they always come back. As long as you still got your bunkered, man, they come back. Come on, come back. Where you at? My bunker's probably pretty dead after that. Trying to give him some life, trying to jig him. Let's see if I get a bite here. Oh yeah, there's that bite. Whoa, there he is. Yeah. Yes, sir. Nothing like it, dude. Cows on the kayak. Nothing like it. Damn. Just like that, he's got me hauling ass. Oh. Ew. Not crazy. Awesome though, you know. This feels awesome. Whoa. Yeah. This is like one of my heavier setups that I use, and like when I get fish that are rip and drag and fighting like this on this setup, man, that's like the best. Definitely the best. Definitely the best. Oh yeah. Solid. Solid bass. Oof. The biomass, man. Woo! We're on the biomass, man. Wow. Yeah, this one's kind of nice. I mean, real nice, but you know, when the average size fish is like 17 pounds, 18 pounds, it takes like a real big fish to really kind of raise eyebrows, you know? That's what we're looking for though. It's like a nice 35, 40 pounder. This one here, he's not gonna push, he's gonna be pushing like 20 pounds, but yeah. Awesome fish. Awesome fish. He might go 25. Might go 25. Oof, gets so spoiled. So spoiled. Hooked in the corner of the mouth. Do not let them run. I like to set the hook, man. Set the hook quick. Oh yeah, that's a big fish. Let's take a look at him. Oh, I can't even lift him up out of the water. My hands are cold right now. And whoa, yeah. He's at least 20, 25 pounds or so. Oh, yeah. Look at that thing. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. Peace out, brother. Pleasure doing business with you. Woo! Yo, this shit never gets old, dude. This will never get old. That thing hits so hard. That was my 5th fish of the day. Number 5. What a start to the day. Early December. December. That's right, December. You gotta get that bunker. Gotta get that bunker in December. And you gotta get on the cows. Get on the cows. Ah, oh, damn it, that frickin' bunker. It's too smart, man. Highly evolved bunker. That thing was highly evolved. There's a bunker. Go ahead and hopefully this one is a little stupider, not quite as evolved. Doesn't know how to escape the mantis grip here. Oh, that's a pretty bunker. Look how pretty he is. All spotted. Very nice. Very high quality bait right here. Very high quality bait right here. Very high quality bait. This is that same rig that I was using last time doing this. You can check out that other video. I'm sure maybe you saw it. But it's just a fish finder rig, 10-aught hook. I'm using 80-pound leader. And I'm using an 8-ounce weight today. Could definitely get away with a smaller weight. I just happen to have it on an 8-ounce. Really doesn't matter. Fishing much shallower water. Last time we did this, we were fishing like 45, 50 feet of water. Today we're in like that 17 to 20 feet of water. So different depths, different, you know. This is Cape May County, you know, this isn't Ocean County. South Jersey beaches are a little different than the North Jersey beaches. And I mean, we're on them, man. We are on them. I'm sure everyone's on them today down here. All the beaches off Cape May County are holding fish right now. It's just so much bait. Yo, Romo, you got a water temp? Water temperature? 51? Nice. Yeah, 51 degree water. You just going treble hook? Yo, but then when you gut hook that bass, Yeah, you do your thing. You got to do whatever makes you happy.
Okay, it's about 9 o'clock in the morning right now. Had about 5 fish so far. Romo has not caught any fish on the snag and drop bunker yet. He did get one trolling a plug on our way out. And then Tenzin has maybe 4 fish, 3 or 4 fish. He's doing pretty well, you know, for his first time doing this kind of fishing.
Shit, man.
And we're just out here. We're slowing down. The bite's slowing down. It was really good early morning and getting slower now. So start thinking of alternative ideas to get these fish to bite.
You could like throw a chunk out for 10 minutes and see what happens. I'm kind of thinking about doing that. If you have like marks here. Fuck it, I'll try it. My bunker is pretty much dead, so. Yeah. Let's motor. Change it up a little here. I'm not getting too many bites on the live bunker, so we're gonna try chunking. So we can't get one on the chunk. Try to change it up. You got marks? I would have to believe that Delaware Bay would have fish right now. I mean, they're so close to shore. I think you could definitely chunk in the bay. Finally starting to feel a little warmth from the sun. Oh, on the chunk? Yeah. He's got him. You don't got him anymore? Hey, the chunk worked. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. I think I got a bass on the live bunker. Yeah, I do. Oh, shit. Yeah. No, the live. The live bunker. Damn, he's alright too. He's alright. Ain't nothing wrong with that one. 20 pounds. 18 pounds maybe. Nothing crazy. He nice him though. He nice him. I'm gonna try to treat her gently here. Ideally, he just pops off here. There we go. Later. Later. That's nice. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, that chunk. Look at that chunk. Look at that chunk. I got a fish on the chunk. Oh yeah, the chunk got bit. Yo, check it out, dude. Yeah. I got a fish on that chunk right there. Whoa. He's towing me backwards right now. Alright, the chunk The chunk produced. No surprise there. I hope he didn't swallow it. I feel like he might have swallowed it. And just like that, getting those numbers up. Got it back on that bass school. He didn't even swallow it either. Oh yeah. I think that's my 7th or 8th bass of the day. Not the biggest. Quality bass. Quality migrator bass. On the chunk. Let's go back on that chunk. I got this other chunk here. This is the head chunk. Hook it just like that. Same 10-aught J hook. I think this will work. Let's check it. Bunker are down there. Oh, son. The chunk bite. Ooh, look at this bite. Oh, there he is. Yeah. On the chunk. Nah, he just picked it up again. That's a chunk though. Yeah. Hitting that chunk. They on the chunks. On that chunk. Whoa. Easy. So many times I should have frickin' broken this rod. This rod should have snapped like 10 times by now. He's not hooked deep, luckily. He's not very big. Here's a good example of why you catch and release stripers, because this one has been caught before, right here, and he just gave me some fun, and I released him so that someone else can have some fun with him. You gotta keep it going. Gotta keep it going. Chunk and bunker on the drift. That one hit a head, but I've been getting them on either. And any chunk, they don't care. I'm gonna get back on that school though. I think the school's over there towards Romo. Yeah. Yeah, I've noticed like Skip and like that other dude, like some of these charter captains, they're doing like the snag and drop over the trolling. I think snag and drop is better, man. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, dude, fuck. Oh, dude, he's ripping under you. Woo! Yeah, we're good. Huh? Yeah. We're chunking them, son. Chunking them. Chunking them bass. Yeah. Oh, son. He's not that nice. He's actually only like, he'd be like really good to eat. Good eater size. Pug nose. The old pug nose. Yeah. The function of my hands are not functioning, dude. They're not functioning correctly. I hate hooking them deep. Alright, we got him. Another average size fish. That is your average Jersey migrator. Yeah. Getting them on that chunk bite, man. The chunk bite is hot. Check out Romo's life over here. Hooked up on a bass, his first bass in the all day. Oh yeah, he's nice. Yeah. Little fish. Oh, little fish. Nah, dude, that's like pretty nice. Bigger than most of the ones we're seeing today. Yeah. That chunk fish. No, yeah, another pug nose. Another pug nose.
School of pugs out there.
Yeah, from one pug nose to another. Yeah, nothing wrong with that one. Alright, I'm making my drive-by here. Get ready. Yeah, that's 25 pounds. 24 pounds at least. Try to get you the pro pick. Yeah, good. Very nice, very nice. We've been getting them on the chunks better, like as the last like couple hours. Yeah, we're just chunking them. Yeah. Yeah, just fishing, you know, regular style. Hey, thanks. Yeah. Yeah, man. It's like my 7th, 21st birthday. Yeah, man, I got fucking... fucking shads, man. You can't waste the shads and pollute the environment like that. Yeah. That's pretty good. Something like change it up a little bit. A little variety. Yeah. Yeah, dude. I was hoping that there was like gonna be a lot of whales out here today. Did you?
Alright, so this is my buddy Dano. He was out here fishing, and he had come from Cape May, which was 30 miles south of where we were at just now. He was just giving me the report. You know, I figured we'd meet up. He said that he had 16 bass and 1 chopper bluefish on the day. He had been trolling most of the day, and then I told him we were getting on a good snag and drop bite and chunk bite up here, so he was in the area and he stopped by, and that's about it.
Yeah, dude. Taking you down. I'm chunking. Nah, nothing crazy. A couple like, you know, 25 pounders, the biggest I got probably. Nothing crazy. That other kid got like a 30 pounder. And yo, Romo's only caught 1 bass today. 2 bass. He got 1 short trolling on the way out here. And then you marking any bass here? Nah. I don't have the electronics. So you got a bass or a bunker? I'm trying to see. Our man's got a bass over there. We gotta go that way. Alright, we had a pretty spectacular day of striper fishing. The bite died off after like noon or so, and the past couple hours been really slow. Getting back to shore. It is looking very treacherous. There are some big waves coming through right now. And getting in is gonna be very tricky. Very tricky. I don't know what the hell we're gonna do. Gonna get really wet. Got really wet on the way out here. Definitely gonna get wet on the way in. Got my neoprenes and then a hoodie. Not waterproof at all. So everything in here is pretty much secure. Preparing myself. That's the bass I got. Well, Romo got. I took it. It's like 32 inches or so. Good eater size. Yeah, it was a really good day, but now it's about to get real, so. Damn, Tenzin just flipped. Tenzin went for it and he flipped. That's ominous, dude. That's very ominous. Yeah, just right now, go for it. Should we pedal or paddle? Paddle, right? Oh, God. Oh, I feel like it's the worst timing. What? Oh, that's a little wave. We got this. Oh, no, we don't got this. Oh, no, we don't got this at all. Oh, we got this. Oh, we got that. Yeah. Oh, that was fucking smooth. Oh, thank God. Thank God. I was scared. Damn, that was crazy, but we made it. Rode the wave in and we made it. Holy crap. And the rudder is having an issue. There we go. That was a crazy day. Crazy day of fishing. We saw you flip.
I fucking nosedived, dude. I was putting my rudder.
Oh yeah, you
Fucking
got
just
planted?
putting my rudder. My rudder broke. Fucking lost the rod.
No! That's a rod?
Yeah.
Yo, we can... Oh, no.
My gear too. It's fucking that thing. How you guys do, huh?
Yeah.
No flipping.
Nah, I was scared. Yeah. I was scared. We did...
Nosedive, dude.
Damn. Yeah, I saw... Oh,
What
dude.
happened to my rudder? I mean, easy fix, but it's still fucked.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, shit.
Shear pin. You should have another one right here.
Oh, look at this. Oh, he's got the spare.
Whoa.
Damn. Kobe knows.
That's to keep your whole rudder process from breaking. This thing is designed to break. This is shear pin.
Saved your life.
Otherwise, this whole thing would have busted.
Okay, so Tenzin was okay. He flipped, obviously. He lost his rod, he broke his rudder, but the rudder is an easy fix, and we actually ended up retrieving his rod. The three of us stood there on the beach and cast it out, trying to retrieve his rod. We were throwing bunker snags, and we were just standing there, casting, and actually ended up getting the rod back. So, you know, not all was lost, and in fact, it was like no worse for the wear. Tenzin just had a little bit of a cold driving home, probably. But other than that, I mean, it was a great day. I'm sure Tenzin would tell you it was worth it. It was definitely worth it. And we're going to be getting back on those bass. You know, those bass, it's so warm, man. El Nino is here. The bass are here. Who knows how long they're going to stick around off Jersey. But hopefully we get a couple more shots at them. So if you liked what you saw this video, give it a like. Subscribe to see more. And we'll see you next time.